The big question in weight loss is and has always been, the scale doesn't lie, but it does. The reason is because weight and size come in many different flavors. For example, someone could be fat, they're working out at the gym, they have a great trainer, they turn their fat to muscle and their weight goes up, but they're thinner. There are also several kinds of weight and fat. There's fat and muscle, there's inflammation, there's water weight and edema and the retention of water. So it's very important to understand that in trying to become the right size that you want to be, we have to take care of all three of these aspects, of which the scale is the least important. If you'd like to understand how truly to manage your weight in a way that you can do and not suffer, call us for a free consultation or visit our website at michaelformandom.com.